everybody, I am Savage Siren, blondish, and this is an unboxing video for Artic Fox. I got excited and already did the unboxing video, but I will be unboxing Artic Fox, so please stay tuned, and thank you guys for stopping in. Hi, I'm Savage Siren. I finally got my Artic Fox order made. It came in the mail way faster than I thought. It was here within like a week, and I was like, woo! So I didn't even get a chance to finish my hair blonding experiment. So you guys are gonna open the box with me and see everything I got ordered. It is not all of the colors that are going in my hair. I am looking really sad with my bottle collection. Normally I try to have like I try to have a little bit of everything on stock, and I got 5, I think. So let's start with, of course, I got the Sunset Orange. It's one of my favorite colors to put in my hair. It is bright, it is vibrant. Orange doesn't stick as long as I would like it to. Obviously, blues and greens stick the longest. So I got my Sunset Orange because I use it a lot. I got the Phantom Green because I like this one better than I do the other one. It sticks for longer and it like pops. So the Phantom Green was my other one. I got a bottle of Poison. It is that fiery bright red. I should show you guys like fiery red. Show you guys the orange. And they all smell really, really good. Like fruity, and I love it. So when you're doing your hair and you get stuck with it in your hair, you smell nice while you're doing it, and then afterwards you smell fruity the whole time. This is the Phantom Green. This is the Aquamarine. This is the bright blue that I always use in my hair. If I can open it, please work with me without spraying. It comes out looking really dark in the bottle, and then it comes out like that bright blue. One of my favorites. And then this was the one I'm kind of iffy on. This is the new Artic Fox Purple, which is supposed to be the same as Purple Rain. The pink that we got kind of stuck. The blue that's supposed to be the equivalent to, oh, not this one, Poseidon, didn't stick at all over dark hair or in light colored hair. So I'm going to give this purple a try. This one's called Purple Madness. This is one of their new releases. And see how that works, because I always have to have purple in my hair. And it looks like that. So, again, I got Purple Madness, which is a new release, so I will probably be doing a review on how that one went, because they've been asking. Aquamarine, which is the blue. Sunset Orange, which is explanatory. The Phantom Green, and the Poison Red. So, this was my most recent Artic Fox order. And obviously stay tuned, all of my videos I'll be bright colored, and if you guys would like a video of like how I figure out how to do my hair colors, or like how I put it in and all of that stuff, my process, please leave a comment below as well. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, and don't forget to come back for the product review as well. So, and if you guys haven't hit like, please hit the like button, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't, and as well, always hit the notifications button if you're missing some of my videos. So, I appreciate you guys for coming in, and I will see you guys in the next video.